Hi, today in front of me VIVO Y16 and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the power key button scanner here on the right side of our device, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, we'll just simply unlock the device with a simple touch to the power key. As you can see, it's so simple to do. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the fingerprint unlock method is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.